It's our little like, giants, you can't hear me. Yeah, it's kind of loud. Let's go in the water, folks. Whoa! Shit, that was so... Get the seawater. But yeah, we're in a fucking lake, and it's like 4 degrees. Yeah, it's kind of cold. Yeah. Oh shit! Woo. But we're gonna try to talk to the owner and like make it our little, like a little den. There's our food if you can see it. Show them where our sandals are. Oh, our sandals were really classy. We threw them on the riverbed. If you can see. You see like there's a giant waterfall. We're in the water. But it's a giant waterfall that no one knows about in our town, so pretty awesome.